Yeah, good day, guys. Welcome to the Ish Guy YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's tutorial, we're going to be designing a Valentine party flyer design. So, without wasting much of our time, let's get down to the business of today. So, the first thing I have to do is I have already worked out my what do you call it, my background, and I work with PSCC. I love working out my background myself right now. So they will do. Just click on the plus button. You click from gallery. So after you click from gallery, then let's go to PSCC. PSCC, that's the name of the app I used to work in my background. So can you actually see it right? So this is it. So this background that I want myself. So how do we do? Then you go to your relative size, then you increase it. So can you see it now? Good. After that, come here, then you lock it so that you cannot drag it again. So it can't be dragged whenever you want to make use of it. So after that, the next thing you have to do is to work on the love. So what are we going to do? Click on the text, then you double click it. It bring out this, then delete it, then you write your love here. Yeah, good. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do next to increase the size. So increase the size for right now. Maybe it's actually okay like this. Then the next thing I'm going to do next to double click it. Good. So put it in the middle. So after that, the next thing you are going to do right now is to click on it. Then you go to your font. So you can see the AB. So click on the AB. So when you click on the AB, the next thing I'm going to do is to find the font that I use. So we are going to find the font that I use. So we are going to be okay. Just let me pause the video to find the font that I used. So the font that I use Acapulco. So this is it. So can you see it? Good. It's actually a love font. So can you see it? So how do we do? The next time I'm going to do now is to change the color to red color. So can you see right now? Good. So after that, just copy it down like this. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on this one. Then I'm going to my 3D image, 3D text. Click your 3D text. So can you see right now? Can you see? What are we going to do now? Just leave it like that. Then you can actually do something like this to 20. Reduce the darken to 20. Good. So after you reduce it darken to 20, the next thing I'm going to do now is to this right one unenable it. So can you see it? Unenable it. So after that, it's okay like this. So just make sure it's at the middle. Reduce position. Good. So at the middle. So we are still going on. So the next thing we are going to do now is to go to your what they call it, to your stroke. So give you a stroke of 35. 35 strokes, okay. 35. So you give it 35, give it something like this. So can you see it? Good. So after that, just make sure that after that, go to your shadow. Give it shadow. Shadow of something like this. The radius should be around 4. Then your off white axis should come down a little bit. So can you see it? So we are sorry, so we are going to good. So after that, this one right now, duplicate it. Okay, let me good. So duplicate it now. Good. So let that one be like that. So after that one, change this color to white color. Good. So can you see right now? It's actually beautiful. So when you change it to white color, just make sure it's at the middle. Then you can actually reduce this one a little bit. Okay, good. So let's assume the size is one. Let me check this size. This size is 193. Then let's give this size 193. Then let's give this size 193 bar. So 180 is okay. 185 is okay. So just place it at the middle. Okay. Let me add it a little bit. Okay, so let's check 191 is okay. Okay, good. Just make sure that the middle. So good. Can you see it now? So now the next I'm going to do now is to give this one like this. Good. Then change the color to white color. Good. So you change the color to white color. You go to your stroke. Change the stroke. Is this stroke? No, actually this is the color. Change the stroke. Stroke. Go to your stroke. Change to this color. Are you doing right? Okay, so this one should not give you stroke. So after that, when you go to your shadow, give a shadow of red shadow, actually red. So you increase it a little bit. Good. After that, then move it to the what? The middle. Good. So can you see actually we are actually moving forward. So the next this actually the middle one. So let's work on the middle one. It's like we are going to be giving it stroke. So let me check if we're going to be giving a stroke of red. Good. So these are it should be so just increase the stroke a little bit. Good. So make sure that the middle also. So let's go. Tie the middle one. Good. So acting is okay like this. So what are we going to do? You click on the three of them, then you move it up. Good. You move it up. So actually it's okay like this. Good. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click from your gallery. Then let me go to where my image is. So let's assume the image is actually in PCC also. So since the image is not here, the image is not here. So let me look for it in Canva. In Canva. So I'm going to click on it. So after I'm clicking on it, so the next thing I'm going to do is to wow. So can you see that's very beautiful? So just increase it a little bit, then move it up like this. Good. So I actually see that as one is in the middle. No, the middle. Good. So can you see it now? So good. So let's continue. So after that, just lock it. Lock this one too. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on your text, then you write your night like this. We are going to be using night. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to increase it a little bit like this. So after you increase it, then you go to your font again. You change the font. So when you change the font, you actually see this font. I use another font. Is it Mecha? Let me see. Yeah, Melanie font. So I use Melanie font for it. Melanie font. So after I use Melanie font, you go to your color, then you change your color to this, something like this, like this. You go change something like this. I'm not seeing anything again. Then you go to your stroke, give it stroke of this red, then you give it white. Sorry, give it only one. Good. So can you see it right now? So can you see it already? So after that, next I'm going to do is to place it at the middle. Place it at the middle. Good. So after you place it at the middle, move it up. Good. Then you don't press it to under love. So can you see it? Good. So guys, we are actually moving forward. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this shape right now. So when you click on this shape, just decrease it a little bit very well. Good. So I think it's actually big enough. Good. So it's okay like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my shadow, give it a shadow of this color actually. Then reduce the plus 3. The SY should be around 4 or 3. So good. So can you see it? So for that, the next time I'm going to do is to click on my text. Then I'm going to give it like 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Then go to my color right now. Then I'm going to give it this color actually. Then I'm going to my phone to change it to outfit. One of my favorite font is outfit. Outfit medium. Good. So when you change to outfit medium, you can zoom your work, zoom it very well. Then you can place it very well here. Good. So can you see? Yeah, we actually place it very well without wasting our time. So after that, so the next I'm going to do is to click on this text. I'm going to write DJ Khalid, DJ Premier. So let's as I want to use this DJ for it. So I'm going to my fonts again. So I'm going to choose outfit bold actually, semi bold actually. Then I'm going to increase it with this place. Then place it here. Then go to your color, change it to color. So can you see it? So this one too actually. Then you write entry fee, entry fee, any dollar you want to write there. Um, free, free for ladies before 1 p.m. for 1 p.m. or 3 p.m. Let's assume 1 or 3 p.m. for 3 p.m. So let's assume this is it. So now next time I'm going to use, I can't place it like this. So what am I going to do? Go to my align, then change it to left align. So can you see it? So the next time I'm going to do now is to reduce it a little bit. So good, just place it here. Good. So there's nothing like alignment here. We are not dealing with alignment here. So good. So what is next I'm going to do? Next I'm going to do is to click on my from gallery. I'm going to click love. So let's assume the love here. So this actually reduce it, then you place it here. So can you see it? Good. So we are making it beautiful. So the next I'm going to do is to click from my gallery. So after I click from my gallery, next I'm going to do is to click on paper. So this paper, I'm going to place it here. I'm going to place it here. Place it here. Actually, I'm going to move this one up a little bit. Good. So something like this actually okay. Good. So this one can move out a little bit. Good. Good. So the next I'm going to do now is to change it to red color. So let's actually this red is okay. Let's go back. This number red is okay. So after that, the next I'm going to do is to click on my text button. I'm going to write Valentine Day. So V, don't write it like this, Valentine Day. Good. So when you write your Valentine Day like this, bring it down here. So I'm going to give it color, which is actually this color actually. Um, then after that, I'm going to font. So after the font, I'm going to change it to business admin. So let's choose the name, the font business. Okay, it's business, it's not this actually. I think this one actually, yeah. But I share script. You're going to see the name of the font at the down side. So after that, next thing now is to place it at the middle. So just make sure it's at the middle. Good. So go to your shadow again. Your shadow, something like this. Reduce the blur radius to something like one, or yeah, this one should be one. Then outside should come down a little bit. So can you see right now? It's beautiful. Good. You are seeing the Valentine day very well. So what are we going to do right now? The next I'm going to do is to click on my text. Then I'm going to write lodge, val lodge, val lodge, val lodge. So give me capital letter. So after giving capital letter, then you write it here. So the next I'm going to do is to click on my font again, then give it outfit bold right now. This one is outfit bold. Now you are using outfit since, so you can give it black. Good, outfit black. So next I'm going to do is to place it here. Good. So the next I'm going to do is to click on my text again. Then I'm going to write 29, 26 minutes Opeyemi, Opeyemi opening street from the lane. Let's assume this is the address. Good, from the lane. So this is the address of the place. Then so now this is the address of the place. Then go to your font. Then you can give it outfit medium. Yeah, outfit medium is okay for it. Outfit medium. So when you give it outfit medium, the next thing you need to do is to reduce it very well. Reduce it to the least. Reduce it. Good. Because we are actually dealing with hierarchy here. So give it like this. So after that, then you duplicate it. Then you write um for reservation and for reservation and for reservation and wait list call is 07 so let's assume this is the number good. So that's next I'm going to do is to place it here actually. Good. Then make sure that the middle. So good. So can you actually see it? So it's actually not much. So I'm going to stare at this number. I want it good to be like this. Good. So can you see right now? So what the next I'm going to do now? The next I'm going to do is to go to my gallery. Then from PSC seal again. from PSCC again, I'm going to bring out this stuff actually this stuff. So after that, I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to place it here. Good. After that, duplicate it. So you duplicate it, then you rotate it like this. Good. So look like this. So I'm going to place it like this. So can you see it? Now good. So the next thing I'm going to do, which actually the last and not the last, if I'm going to do something like this, good. So actually you're going to be zooming this one. Zoom it very well. So after you zoom it finish, then the next thing now is to reduce this one a little bit. Rotate it like this, then place it here. Actually, then after that, the next thing you want to do is to go to your color. Go to your color. Then we get this gradient color actually. Good. So after you give it the gradient color, the next thing you want to do is to go to your shadow again. Use the blur. This one actually. Then this one actually. So I think you're going to be using the pure black for this one actually. So like 3 is okay for it. So after that, I just copy this this file. I think it's actually good enough. Then you write 14 14 February 20, okay, 14 February. 14 February. Good. So the next now, reduce it very well. Reduce it very well. Then place it here. Then increase it this. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to leave it here. So can you see it? We are actually done with this. So we are done. So the next thing you can actually do for yourself is to save it right now. Go to your saving, save it right here. Save it as PNG and as Ultra. So you have done with this video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this channel and don't forget to share this video for others to see. So thank you for watching until now. Thank you.